You are looking for ways to make money online, so you search on internet tells you affiliate marketing. So you join bunch of affiliate programs and started to spam all the social media and started to share links to your friends and family. And now you are refreshing your affiliate analytics in the hope of any sales, but guess what you get? Disappointment. And that's actually my story and looks like your too. Yeah. Now I want you to think, what was the last time you bought something from a link your friend or family member sent to you? Probably never. And let me help you. Last time you bought something from a link which is affiliate link was a link from your favorite influencer's description or bio. And that's the first point of my video. If you have an already established audience, then affiliate marketing is for you. But if you are a normal guy with 200 Facebook friends and 20 family members, then affiliate marketing will not work for you. You will meet persons in real life who will say that I am a YouTuber or I am a blogger, and part of their income come from affiliate marketing. But have you ever meet the guy or someone who can say that I am an affiliate marketer? No. Why? But now you will say, Zakwan, you don't know anything about it. We will do reverse engineering. We don't have audience, right? So we will select the product first, then create the content around it. So we will get an audience. Well, content marketing. Fair enough. Well, I will talk about it in third point, but first, let's talk about scams in affiliate marketing. It's wild. Almost 80% of online brands have their affiliate programs and they will share 5 to 10% with you. But nowadays, there are websites which are specially designed for affiliate marketers and they will share up to 50% with you. Why? Because most of their products are fake products or very low quality products. So either you will be selling a fake product which is only exists on website, or you will be selling a very low quality product on a very high price. And that's why when you try to enter affiliate marketing industry, then they will tell you to work on these websites and not on these websites. Why? Because scam. Second scam is by gurus themselves. So you will see ad or video from the guru and they will tell you to join their 1 hour free workshop, and on there they will show you their very expensive car and also a case study of the student who was very poor before and he was eating grass, and after meeting the guru, now he is rich, he owns the house, he owns the car, and you can too. You just have to buy the guru's course, and after you buy the course, they will teach you very little basics of affiliate marketing, and at the end, they will tell you a golden lines. I don't want you to work harder, so I have a plan ready for you. So you have to sell this course to other people and you will get commission. And basically, if you don't know what it means, then it means, surprise, you got scammed and you have to scam other people in terms of get your money back. So basically, they are running an M&M scam in the name of course selling. I can't tell you about all the scams, so remember these two things. If somebody is trying to selling you dreams, scam. If somebody is asking you money to become an affiliate, scam. Now let's come to the third point. So is affiliate marketing is scam? And the answer is it's complicated, just like my YouTube channel's theme. So first thing, you need to have an established audience, it will work for you. And secondly, if you're thinking about content marketing, like you will select the product and then create the content around it, then I assume that you have a content creation knowledge, and then the freelancing will work much better than affiliate marketing. So you need to go on Fiverr, Upwork or Freelancer and try to sell your services there instead of affiliate marketing. The other option is to become a YouTuber or blogger. Although I admit that the space is very crowded and very competitive, so it's not easy to grow, but if you will able to grow, then it will really worth it. And if I still unable to change your mind, then make sure that you work with genuine websites only and also have very real expectation, because this is not a get quick rich scheme. It will only earn you a bread and not gonna make you a millionaire. And also understand that in this industry, 5% people earn 95% of profit. So try to become that 5%. And that being said, thanks for watching. Watch this video next.